Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make hot Chinese mustard. Hit it. All right, well, thanks a lot for joining and welcome back. If this is your first time joining, please do us a favor. Go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, and be sure to go down and hit that description box below. Not only does it have the recipe for this video, but it's got a ton of groovy links that you should try to check out as well. All right, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make hot Chinese mustard. Let's drop down here and see what the ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 2 tablespoons of mustard powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of hot water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Let's start mixing this up. All right, so you want to make sure you've got a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. We're going to add all of our dry ingredients into this first, and then we're going to mix those up. The salt, the white pepper, and the mustard powder, incorporate all that. Then we're going to add our hot water. I actually heated this up in the microwave, so we're just going to add this into it. Mix that all up. Doesn't make much, but I don't really want to make a whole ton of it because I won't eat all of it. Then we're going to add our oil and our vinegar in here. Mix this up as well. Get it mixed, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then mix it up again just to be sure that you get all that dry powder mixed up well with the liquid. Well, I got some chicken bulgogi pot stickers over there in the pan. We're going to plate those up, take some pictures with this awesome mustard, then we're going to give it a try. Those were fantastic pictures of the chicken bulgogi dumplings and this mustard I've got right here. As you can see, it made about 2.5, 3 tablespoons of mustard. Now I'm going to dip an egg roll in here. Sorry. Now I'm going to dip one of these dumplings in here and see what we got. I hope it's not too hot. Oh yeah. Yeah. That has got that wasabi-like heat in there. That vinegar just adds a little more to it. White pepper, of course, gives it a little bit of flair as well. It's really, really good. If you like the hot mustard, it goes really well with these. Egg rolls, anything else, you don't have to get takeout. Make your own. It's simple, it's easy, it's ready to go. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.